Welcome to the Shopper Information System. The purpose of this program is to quickly make large shopping lists so that you know how much the total will be before you go to the store. Okay, we'll start by creating the checklist. So we go to Prepare a New Grocery Shopping List, and this is the checklist. What we do with this window is we create or edit the checklist, and then we can create new shopping lists from the checklist. Once a checklist is done, simply select the items in the checklist and then click Generate Shopping List, and that'll create a new shopping list. Okay, we'll start here by clicking the Lookup button. We find there are no items in our database, so we'll click on Add. Okay, and we'll type in an item, let's say milk. Okay, and hit Tab, and then the price, just put in a price that is ballpark in your market area. Doesn't have to be perfect, but just a ballpark figure. Okay, category. The category is the store location that you find the item in. So we'll just click on the lookup button, and we want something more than just general. So we click on Add, and in the name we'll just put in for this one the dairy. Finding the dairy. Store location is the index of the store that the category is in. So it's the order number that you go to in the store for the category. So, for example, if we went to the dairy aisle first, we'd put in a 1. If we went to the dairy aisle second, maybe we did produce first, we would put in 2. For now, I'll just put in 1 for all the categories, and then we can update them later on. We'll just say 1, and then we can do Save Select, and the record's saved. Okay, we got a good item here, so we'll click Save Select, and the item is in, and we can see that it's in our grid. Okay. Now I'll show you another way, so I'll hit down arrow. Another way to create add an item. So we'll just do it from here. So we'll say sour cream. Oh, typo. Okay, and we'll hit tab. And it'll say, oh, the sour cream was not found in the items table. What do you want to do? We'll just click on Add as a new item. Okay, here we are. We got the item in there. The text is already there. Put in a price of, say, $1.49. Tab. And we can do a lookup. And there's the dairy. It's already in there. So we just double click on dairy. There it is. It's in. We only had to enter it in once, and we can easily add it to future items. Okay, we'll click Save Select, and there's the item. It's all ready to go. Okay, I'll pause this while I enter all of the items for the checklist. Okay, before I enter all of the items, I need to add a comment line. So I'll do that by clicking on the first row. Then I can right click, and we can say Insert Row. And there it is. And now we can type in a comment. So maybe we want to say this is our refrigerator items, and we'll just hit tab, and it says not found. What do you want to do? Click on add as comment, and there's our comment line. Okay, here's the rest of our checklist, and as you can see, I've entered in all of the items. You can page up, page down, see all the items that are in the checklist. Okay, the next thing we might want to do is to do an copy row or paste row. Like, for example, if you want to copy ground beef, copy it, and then paste it down here. And there it is. It's in twice. We can delete it by right-clicking on the row and then click on delete. And it's deleted. Okay, next thing we'll do is click on Setup Categories Order. So this is going to be the order in the store that we go to each department. So here we are. Now this is a little bit off because we set the store location to be 1 for all of the items. Instead, what we want to do is we can set the store location number here and put it in order. So let's say the first place we go to is produce. So I'll just drag it up there, and there's produce on top. And then we'll say the next place we go to is deli. So I'll drag it up there, and deli is second. And then we go to meat, okay, and then we go to the dairy aisle, so we drag and drop it up there, and then maybe we go to frozen, and then after that we do the general, supplies, and then bakery last. Okay, and click OK, and it saves it. Okay, and there's plenty other things you can do. You can sort, you can, if you want to say sort by extended price, you can do that. Sort descending, there we go, our largest price items are up there. Okay, and then re-index by the number, there we go. Okay, now we'll click on Save Checklist, and it's saved. Now we'll click on Generate Shopping List. Oh, no rows are selected, so we'll click OK. And you can select individual rows, or if you want to select them all, you can click Select All. I'll go ahead and do that. And you'll notice comments cannot be selected. That's because the category name that the group is under will show up as a comment. Okay, click Generate Shopping List. There's our shopping list all ready to go, and we can see each category is a comment, and then the items that belong to that category are under its comment there. So I'll just put in a description, say store run. Okay, and then we'll click on save. And then we can click on print to print out the shopping list. We'll just print it to screen. And there it is. There's our shopping list. It's grouped by category, and that's in the order that I go to the store in. So all I have to do is print this out and then take it to the store and check it off, and I'm ready to go. And there we go. That's complete. So we got the shopping list here done. quickly and easily. And if you want to generate more shopping lists, you can. The possibilities are endless. So that's pretty much covers it for the getting started in this program. There's other items, like if you want to just create a shopping list by itself, you can. If you're doing just a few items, you can maintain the items table here and select like control right or control left. You can see all the items and their prices. Escape, and that pretty much covers it. Thank you for using this program, and I hope it helps you manage your shopping better.